Alright, what's up YouTube? So I've kind of been slacking with you guys because car is a lot different now. Like I said in the last video, different wheels. I just finished washing it, but I've been slacking with you guys because I've been holding off on the content. I've had a lot of content I've recorded, but I haven't done anything. So you can see, oh, something different right there. So a little boost gauge. So windows down. I don't know if anyone noticed, but it sounded different in the last clip. So car looks good. Intercooler. So I've been holding off. This thing's actually been boosted for about a month now. So yeah, I've been like really busy. I was getting this thing ready for a meet in Tennessee, so I was just trying my best to get the car done, and I got it done, but I just wasn't able to make the official video, so this is it. Next few clips will show the putting together setup and some of the things I've done, but it's finally together. You see. Looks good. That looks insane. Real quick, this is what I came up with for the intercooler, or to support the intercooler. Some extra brackets I had laying down around for timing guides, but I still have to, of course, trim. I'm gonna trim it up and paint it all so it looks better, but it's like pretty sturdy. Right now their horns kind of getting in the way, so I'll probably move them, or even put it like drill a hole and put it here or something. It's not really a big deal. But maybe this you can see whole setup better. So got those. I'm gonna trim all the edges off, just running out of time at the shop tonight. But that supports it, so it's not like touching anymore on the bottom. And then all the cooler piping sorted. This one might be too short, but I have a straight that's good. So it's idling okay so far in the 1000cc injector. I still have like the factory connectors on the front bank. The rear bank has its own harness, so I had another harness with this, so I modified that for the 1000cc injector connectors. And this one I just did this for now, just in case I couldn't get it to idle or run. But so far it needs some tuning, but just want to show where my second catch can is going to go. I had to sacrifice my windshield washer tank. Kind of cut it, and then it's kind of, the catch can is in the top of the windshield washer tank as support, and then I have a clamp on it with a coupler. So I'm gonna run a hose from right here to the inlet, and then for the outlet to the vent, it'll be the back valve cover one. So it was all wrapped. I just gotta cut the zip ties, and Then spray it with the sealant. So I left this top half like undone so you can still see the lettering, but it turned out good. Had to do some weird stuff for this because this was one continuous thing. Same thing with right here, but it turned out pretty well. There you go. What was that? What was that pop? I don't know. Sounds good. What is that? Might have been extra fuel in the exhaust. Got kicked out the shop early. I'm short one intercooler pipe and putting exhaust on. That's all that's left. But listen, sounds so cool. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna put the one intercooler pipe on and then maybe put the exhaust on if I can. But we're so close, man. It makes boost.